way. Look who it is. It's.
Oh yeah, it's the Pinto.
Well, hey man, nice car. Where'd you get it? Oh, I thought you might. Are you going in Speedway? No. Oh, you are? Alrighty. Alrighty, man. Nice car. Yep. Take care.
This is a Speedway car.
So they did it here in Speedway?
Yeah, Speedway built it.
All right, viewers, we're back. We're back at Speedway.
Oh, she's ready to continue her video.
It's day 2 of Real Hog Live, and now we're here for the car show aspect.
On the top, that's cool. Nice little touch.
What is this?
It's a Volkswagen Bug.
It's a bug.
What's the symbol?
Volkswagen Bug? That's a bug.
Castle.
That's how it's always been?
Yep. One at Ice Cream Cruise last year that had an LS in it. In the front.
In the front?
Yeah, the LS swapped the bug.
A bug?
I don't know what that is. It's got a bowl with Morris.
It's like a straight 2.
I've never seen that logo before.
A Morris. I don't know
what that is.
Hey Megan, you want a wagon?
It's cool.
What?
Gage, you need a wagon.
There you go.
Thanks.
Jim's, Jim White, you know.
Oh,
We just talked to Jim.
That and that's his.
It's for sale.
yeah, that's Jim
Yeah,
White.
that's his too. Yeah. Oh, that's me. Remember, I told him sale.
What? This is a right-hand drive.
Oh,
Are you fancy? That's not
well, I'm sure we can get the price
No.
for that. I told you that.
Cut you a deal.
This is the first original Davy right here.
Oh, it is.
Francisco's here? No, that's not Francisco.
There's different paint job on the hood.
I gotta run. What?
See my son, so
See my son. Alrighty.
Yeah.
You win any awards yet with this?
not this year.
Not this year? It's got what? 200,000 miles?
276,000.
Goodness me. You would never know. You could sell it to me for 80,000 miles. Hey!
Because it's new.
So wait a minute, is this Megan Family Moments? What's?
Megan Family Moments. This is my uncle's truck.
Whoa! What is it? What are we looking at? Nice.
And the flame work, he hand painted.
I was gonna ask you, where did you get the front grill from? That's what I'm looking for. Just that shaved, all flat.
I got that grill probably 20 years ago. It was out of back then, it was like a sport truck magazine.
Yeah.
And it was, someone had it listed for sale.
That's a Woody.
It's-
That's a Woody.
I want to do a Woody, but it's a lot of wood.
Why?
Well, did you see all the wood? It's a lot of woodwork. It's different than body work.
Woodworking's way easier than body work. It's a lot harder to dent the wood. I mean, not really, but
Well, no, what's a lot harder? Because if you cut off too much, you can't add more back on. If you cut too much metal off, you can always add more metal back on.
that's
I mean,
true.
that's how I look at it, at least.
But I mean, it's all square. You know, when you do cabinetry or like interior on a home, you just recut it.
You just
We got it.
I mean, yeah, you can, but that's money down the drain.
Not really. It's, I mean, yeah, in some ways. But I don't know, $5 pillars.
Shit, this wood's got to be a lot now with all the tariffs.
Because we don't have our own.
No, we don't.
We ain't got no trees.
No.
We ain't got no wood. Big bloke. 454. I don't know. Cool, Mom. It's definitely a 59. Break it down. Why is it not?
Here we go. 57 because one, T-Bird logo's up here now.
Where was it before?
On the back fender.
Oh, okay. What else?
Back here. Porthole window. But this came in 56.
Okay.
And the air vent, also in 56. All of it together creates a 57. Now you know. Hey, well, we need to let the viewers know where we are.
Where are
We're
we?
currently in the Museum of American Speed out here at Speedway Motors. This is one of their newest rooms in the building. I'm trying to think of when it opened because it's like brand new.
Don't ask me. I've never been here.
At all to Speedway?
No, I've been to Speedway, but not to
Not-
the museum. I've been to the shop part, to buy parts. But
Wow, this is special. You've never been in the museum?
no.
Oh, we're just getting started. Well, let's kind of go through these, folks. Take a gander. What do you want on the end of your car? You dream it, we'll build it.
Yeah, that's why emblems, that was one of the most common stolen things off cars. Back in the day, you just pop an emblem off or steal them. Yeah, he's had a tough week. That one's killer. It's like a jet.
Ooh, that's what I want.
That one?
Little octopus fella? Yeah! Yeah! That's sterling. Needs a set like that, like some goggles and a hat.
There you go.
This, what is that,
That's cool.
T-Bird?
T-bird.
No,
This? Whatever it is awesome.
it's weird. Well, it could be the T-Bird. The wings look weird. No, I want that one.
Which one? Hello!
All hail.
There you go. The ultimate stance. The one's down there. Perfect.
Got some boxers.
Perfect. Yeah.
Oh, we got the lady doing the whole back and forth.
Oh, there you go.
Did Gage do that?
What?
Are you a contortionist?
I could be at the right price.
Yeah.
What?
So you have them on a string and they go in a circle. And they can reach speeds of like 200 miles an hour. They go really fast. They don't do it much anymore.
And they're not toys. And don't you let a model fan hear you call them that. Scene 2, the workshop. The place where dreams become reality for miniature racing fans. Where every item specially manufactured for a world of Tom Thumbs is brought together, assembled, tested, run, and yes, repaired by a racing enthusiast who will never break a bone, never get a ticket for speeding.
What engine did you put in yours, man? I mean, it's the same stuff as cars, and I get it. It's just funny.
Put a heavy in mine.
Small black Chevy.
Small black Chevy. Big old turbo. 83 millimeter.
Oh yeah.
Twin. Both of them.
You heard me. Both of them.
Yeah, for what they showed me for a good brand. Yeah, because I got some quotes. So I need steps. See, you need something.
Eddie's rod and cup.
Yeah, pretty high up here, and I want to go even a little higher because I want to get those are only 18-inch tires. I want to get like 20 tires. Yeah, that's a little like.
What does your mom do?
So the people.
I've had enough. I love cars, but there's more than you can see here than you can actually enjoy. You almost have to take one day each level to really look at it and understand. There's so much history and context and really important information that, it's cool to see it all, but at some point it just becomes numbing.
Yeah, there's so much to read, so much to look at, because there's a lot of details with like every single thing.
Yeah.
You can only read so much at a time.
Exactly.
Absorb all that information.
Like every car has a write-up.
Right.
You need at least 3 days to fully understand everything here.
Oh yeah.
Or even more.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, we've decided that Todd is toe mater in the way that he shoes.